about so many things, but one thing is needful. And Mary has chosen the better thing, and it won't be taken away from her. Martha, you are so busy about so many things. Martha, one thing is needful. Mary has chosen the better thing. My food is to do the will of God. My drink is to drink in the Spirit of God. One thing is needful, to sit at your feet and listen to your words falling from the lips of mercy. My food is to do, my food is to do the will of God, the will of God. My drink is to drink it, the Spirit of God. One thing is needful, one thing is needful, to sit at your feet, listen to your words, and listen to your words falling from the lips of mercy. Here's the bridge. Jesus was asking, where are your priorities? Set your affection not on earthly things, not on things below, but on things above. Looking to the Father above. My food is to do. My food is to do the will of God. The will of God. My drink is to drink in. My drink is to drink in the Spirit of God. One thing is needful. One thing is needful, to sit at your feet and listen to your words falling from the lips of mercy. One more time. My food is to do. My food is to do the will of God. The will of God. My drink is to drink in. My drink is to drink in the Spirit of God. One thing is needful. One thing is needful, to sit at your feet, listen to your words, and listen to your words falling from the lips, falling from the lips of mercy.